we have someone very special, very dear with us, Danisha, our school friend. For people who don't know us, all three of us have been going to the same school, have gone to the same school
Right.
since nursery.
Nursery. Yeah. And best part is we live like 2 minutes walking distance from each other, and that hasn't
True,
changed,
true,
guys,
yes.
at all.
I think from kindergarten to now, we've been in the same area, like the same group and doing.
The shadi pressure, is it real?
Very real.
Sometimes.
So I want to know from the both of y'all, since we are in our 30s, nearing 30s, the shadi pressure, is it from home? Is it from family? Is it from peers? Is it from unknown people? Or is it just a society thing? I mean, I want to know what and where is the source of the pressure coming from?
I think sometimes it's the pressure that you put on yourself rather than anyone else. When you look at your friends who are getting engaged or married or pregnant, so that time you feel. But I would say, like for me, pressure from my parents, no. Relatives, I do have a very good answer when I get there. But society also, what happens is they just put the pressure on you, like the pressure that you feel. But I don't want to get into that panic. In the panic of getting married, because what is the society going to say about
Correct.
it? What is their opinion? Because वो तो बोल के हट जाएंगे, मुझे शादी निभानी है.
हाँ.
So I was like, जब मुझे ठीक लगेगा तभी मैं करूंगी, या तभी वो जब टाइम आएगा तभी करेंगे. So it is there, definitely, like we do feel it, like I think more from our friends than from anyone else.
And
I would say,
especially married friends, Shreya. Like I know you're married and I love you that you have. I mean, it's great, but
But ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि हाँ, because मैं कुएं में घुस चुका हूँ, तो I want to drag everybody.
I don't know. Married friends want their friends to be married as well. It's simple as that.
But it could be coming from a good place also.
It's coming from a good place, but what happens is it's see, आज अगर लाइफ में कोई होता तो शादी निभाना करना आसान नहीं होती. जब तुम्हारे पास कोई है ही नहीं, when you don't have someone, and and it be arranged or be it love marriage. चलो love तो मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया ये उम्र में.
No, we are manifesting.
Yeah, definitely. But that is again on the brighter side of it.
Correct.
Right, but like if we go to see practically in reality, we both are like hoping for an arranged marriage scenario. So in that period, it just goes like, अरे भाई कोई मिल जाए तो कर ले. हम थोड़ी रुके क्योंकि हमको शौक है.
Yeah, I was like, you're asking this question, but understand there are few things behind us. Well. It's not that मैं ही रोक के बैठी हूँ कि नहीं करना मुझे.
And it is like जब भी तुम मिलो और तानिया जी खुशखबरी कब दे रहे हो? And I'm very confused. I'm like, are you talking about my business turnover? Are you talking about me getting pregnant? Or actually talking about me finding someone?
How does Tanya just like come on, just come with a question and I'll give that answer.
Because there was a time last year, not last year per se, in 26 right now, in 24, a lot of our friends got married.
Yeah.
A lot of our friends.
Like as if that was the last December.
Yeah. Exactly. Like I think the entire year, I think you got married in 24, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think the entire year there were so many marriages and I was okay with it. I love marriages. I love seeing my friends getting married. The fun, the alcohol, the food, everything is great. But I think by the time I reached like 31st of December, the amount of even uncle aunties at the weddings were like, अरे बेटा यहीं कहीं किसी को ढूंढ लो. हलवा की तरह बिखर रहा है.
मैं वो पसंद है, वो लेकर आ जाओ.
So what I'm understanding is that because people around us are getting married, so by default it kind of creates a sense of pressure to the families also. अरे कि her colleagues or her batchmates are getting married, तो अभी मेरी बेटी का भी टाइम आ गया है, kind of a thing, and that automatically it's like a
I really
dominant.
Yeah, so I really don't see exactly. So when you attend a lot of marriages, per se, not events, marriages, our parents usually come along with us, and even they are asked that question कि आपकी बेटी, are you looking for her?
और आता वही झालंय.
Yeah, मेरे तुझं तर वे म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र में हमारे में तो मेरे डैड डायरेक्टली बोलते हैं मेरे घर पे बेटी बैठी है.
Correct.
And I don't like that. I don't like it being said कि मेरे घर पे मेरी बेटी बैठी है. Like whatever the way it is said, it is the way people want to hear it as. That there is a single girl at home and she is now looking actively to find a groom for herself.
Correct.
But for me, marriage has always been something like a union of two people who genuinely want to be with each other.
So it's pretty chill in that manner, so I don't have that kind of pressure. But I've seen people around us, they're completely drowning in that pressure from
yeah.
their parents, from this, from
Yeah.
that, and they overlook what all they have done.
Yeah.
Like, you know, till now you have a great career, you're independent, you're the smart girl, you have a good personality. That just goes.
Yeah.
It's just because of
Yeah.
one thing is marriage.
No, but that is also
I like
because
this perspective, like you being the elder daughter.
yeah,
Your pressure is different, versus
Different.
she
Yeah.
being the
Yeah,
second daughter.
yeah, younger one,
exactly.
yeah.
That
And
pressure is
but I
different.
tell you what, Shrey and Dani, one thing I've understood is तुम कोई भी उम्र के हो ना, जब शादी पे बात आती है ना, your career, your achievements, or anything that you've done up till that moment, okay, they just become a blur. Why?
Yeah.
It takes a back.
Why and why also it takes a backseat is because apparently the entire world has made marriage into this end goal.
Yeah.
Like she said, deadline.
Yeah.
हाँ,
it's
मतलब
like a
end
deadline.
goal
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
ये करेंगे तो ही तो तुम खुश रहोगे लाइफ में, नहीं तो तुम्हारी लाइफ वेस्ट. I had a friend, okay, I had a friend, and he kept telling me, why aren't you married yet? Why aren't you married yet? You know, it had become such a disturbing thing to hear from a friend. Why would you want to hear this from a friend?
Yeah.
True, true.
You know, like your family saying
When
it and
he's
everything.
putting
Relatives,
down
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of a thing.
And I'm like, Arey, yeah, but so what? You know, look at my career. I'm building a company. I'm
Correct,
doing
yeah.
this, XYZ. Like, so what? All of this is anyway going to go and drain because you're going to get married. What if your husband doesn't allow it?
God.
And somewhere
You're talking about right
right now,
this
like a very recent
Kalyug,
incident.
This
Yeah.
Kalyug, yeah.
It was a very recent incident, and you won't believe it. I kind of cut them off. I was like, I'm already very vulnerable when it comes to the topic of marriage because I don't want to be looked upon as someone who is not doing well in life because they're not married. First of all, second, if friends like them, why do I need friends at all? I have relatives.
True,
kept.
true, yeah. Okay, so Tanya, we keep going out, and you know
हाँ.
people keep asking us, तो अब शादी का क्या? How do you tackle that, or how do you think we should tackle that question?
I think she's become immune to it now.
Yeah.
I think Max go to her.
Why she abuses the person?
I genuinely
because
because genuinely जो मेरे
It's so
दोस्त
good
हैं
to
ना,
see her, you know, when this question comes, I'm like, here. This is, don't direct it here at Tanya, just like,
she
आ जाओ, मैं
yeah,
देती हूँ.
answer this question for her.
Yeah, yeah,
She will be like, भाई तू तेरा business का देख, तू तेरा खुद का देख. Let's not come
it's
to it.
genuinely
Yeah.
like, अरे,
I've
it is,
seen her.
yeah, because
Yeah.
now my friends, so I'm very expressive with my face. So 80% of them don't ask me this question because they know if I lose my shit, I lose my shit. Because what happens is when someone will come and ask you ना, तो फिर कब नई खुशखबरी दे रहे हो, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
अरे 2 minutes is a pause for us. We're like, Abhi, I'm supposed to answer this question,
Yeah,
but now
yeah,
if you ask, then she'll just have to, like, she controls her expression.
I really now
And then,
control because मैं करनी तो है ना शादी. ऐसे वो लोग बिगाड़ देंगे मेरा नाम, चिढ़ती है बैठ के, तो मैं कुछ अभी वो भी नहीं चिढ़ती हूँ मैं.
तो people come and tell me, अरे ठीक है तुम दुआ करना, next time नहीं हो तुम्हारा गलती. And then I was like, ठीक है मैं भेज दूंगी, कार्ड भेज दूंगी, मेरे को पूछना मत ये सवाल. तो
I was at a function very recently, like literally 2-3 weeks ago, and वहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि I met a friend after a lot of time, like maybe 1 or 2 years, okay, and they just got a baby. ठीक है, they just delivered a baby. The friend that I met, he and his wife, and आया मेरे पास, अरे यहाँ पे तो सब एक दूसरे को congratulations बोल रहे हो, मैं तुझे कब बोलूँगा? I'm like, yes, congratulate me. My company just did 10 crore. Yes,
See, that's it.
thank you.
500 crore turnover,
Yes,
1000
thank you.
crore turnover.
तो क्या बात करी? हम like, तो जानकारी में किससे बात कर रहा है? मतलब खत्म, टॉपिक ही साइड ट्रैक कर दिया मैंने इसको.
But I want to know from you
Yeah.
tomorrow when the right person comes. I want to know that one trait for you both that will be the deal maker, not the deal breaker, the deal maker. Like if my partner has this, yes, I am marrying.
Honestly, non-negotiable तो ऐसे है नहीं कुछ.
Right.
But एक चीज है कि he should be able to balance me out. See, life is full of ups and downs.
Right.
So if mine
That
मेरा
is
up
true.
है तो उसका वो down भी मुझे संभालने आना चाहिए, और मेरा अगर down है तो मुझे उसका up संभालने आना चाहिए.
And this only
Absolutely, yeah.
happens, you know, in the process of, like, you know, the courtship that you say, or
Yes,
the
courtship.
time that you talk
Yeah.
to them. You understand that time
Yeah.
that, you know, when you're in a particular mood, when you're in a particular situation, how do we handle each other?
Yeah.
Because every day is not going to be a merry day for both of us.
Not at
Some
all.
days you're going to be the
Yeah.
person I'm going to rant at. Like, I'm going to be so mad that I don't want to see you.
Yeah.
But then later on, it's like,
But
you
like,
are the
where
person.
you have to sit
Yeah,
next to me and listen to my shit.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
that's what it is. So non-negotiable, even in something that breaks, is something I don't box myself into. when that time comes, I will know. See, I know my boundaries. I know what is okay for me, what is not okay for me.
Correct.
हमें पता चल जाता है जब हम एक दो बार बात करते हैं, ठीक है, कि ये आगे बढ़ने वाला है, नहीं बढ़ने
Yes.
वाला है. If I have to stretch that out, if you can't like be the person in the same zone that I am in, then it's very difficult. So you know the mindset, or you know just the same wavelength that you are at.
चलो हम तो सिंगल लोग हैं, हम अपनी बाउंड्रीज समझ चुके हैं,
हाँ.
ठीक है, ट्रायल एंड एरर्स में, ठीक है, बाउंड्रीज हमारी है, इंटैक्ट है, वी नो व्हाट वी लाइक, वी नो व्हाट वी
Yeah.
डोंट लाइक. Will you be willing to reduce them in certain, or maybe just as a personality trait in your life for your husband, like in a way na compromise is what I'm trying to say.
So the compromise
Like
will
अगर
happen.
तुम्हें अगर एक चीज है और तुम्हें पता है कि ये मेरी बाउंड्री और इसको मैं अगर नीचे करूंगी तो दुख होगा मुझे कहीं ना कहीं, तो तुम ये अपने हस्बैंड के लिए कम करोगी?
That is the comfort that I have with him. So sometimes you have to make changes. What you feel is your boundary, or you know, it's the right thing. What I'm thinking, because even we are very stubborn. In
We are
many
very
things.
stubborn. We are
We're
very
very
stubborn.
stubborn
Yeah.
because now we've come to a place where our tolerance is very low, and
Yeah.
we are very
Spoiled us.
yeah,
Yeah.
actually, you know, like because of our parents' upbringing and stuff like that, we're like, नहीं यार ये तो चाहिए, ये मैं कैसे नीचे लेकर
Yeah.
जाऊँ? But bro, sometimes you just don't know if what you're holding on to. So compromise definitely, because if I want a good partner, and likewise if he wants me, we both have to lower some
Adjust.
expectations or adjust. It's not even lowering expectations;
Yeah.
it's adjusting with another human.
And I also feel there are some bare minimums.
Yeah, yeah,
like,
yeah.
This cannot be.
Surpassed. Like you can't.
like
This
there
is
is
something
no- you
negotiable
can't.
in that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But there are some things that you want to. Like, why
Yeah.
not? Because when you see the other person put in that
Right.
much effort for you, then you be like,
Okay, why not?
It balances
what,
out
what am
somewhere
I
for both of
holding
us.
so much
Yeah, yeah.
thing in my head for? Like,
That's true.
And
I'm
sometimes it must be really stupid, which we think is very
Yeah.
high for us. It must be really
And
stupid enough.
99%
Yeah,
it is
it
that.
is. Yeah,
And
it
you know
is
what?
that.
Men don't grow up early. Men don't grow up at all, and I've realized. I genuinely,
True,
मतलब
yeah.
मतलब बहुत टाइम लगता है उनको समझने को कि मतलब वो एक सिंपल सा रहता है ना कि हम लोग इतने पर्टिकुलर होते हैं हमारी चीजों के साथ
Correct.
कि ये यही, क्योंकि यही होनी चाहिए, ये यहाँ तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. And we are particular. I don't know why they use the phrase that women become very mature early. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Women don't become mature early. It's just men choose to stay in the comfort zone for the longest time.
I think we're just more emotionally available and in tune
No,
with
they
certain things.
just want to be comfortable. They will not want to sacrifice
Step
their
out of
comfort
their-
out of their comfort for the longest time. What we do now, we are very risk takers. I really believe that women are more risk
बचपन
taking
से
than
कंडीशन
right.
दिया है कि सबको निभा के रखो,
Right.
सबका मुंह
हाँ,
बना
yeah,
के रखो.
You do that,
तो
you know,
by
in
default
any
एक
ways,
वो
yeah, yeah.
हो
हाँ, बट
जाता
ये
है.
श्रेया बहुत लोगों में नहीं होता है, बहुत लोगों को नहीं सिखाया जाता है. बट वहां पे भी लड़कियां फिर भी थोड़ी तेज निकलेगी,
Yeah.
स्ट्रॉन्ग निकलेगी, स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड इंडिपेंडेंट निकलेगी. बट लड़के, आई रियली फील दैट दे विल नॉट, मतलब वो ही कपड़े पहने तो 4 दिन नहा के नहीं बैठेंगे. एंड दे वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट कि मैंने ये टी शर्ट कल ही पहनी थी, धोके मैं आज भी पहनूंगा. बट वील बी लाइक, अरे हाउ कैन वी वेयर द सेम टी शर्ट?
Yeah, actually a big difference also.
Yeah, because
Okay.
we are like that, and this is not cultural difference. This is not imposed on women. This is not women oppression. This is just gender differences. And the sooner we realize that there are actually two genders coming together to, you know, form a union, the easier it will, I think, be
Right.
for us to adjust into a
Yeah.
marriage.